In 2016, we were hit with a lot of scab and vomitoxin in our durum, and in order for me to market that grain, I needed to be able to clean that to get the vomitoxin levels down to acceptable ratios. Greg Wirtz had one, and he was actually using one to get it out.
This was after the cleaning process. Now it's 1.5, 1.3, right in that area. Pretty happy with it.
My whole durum crop was infected. It made my durum pretty much unmarketable. It was a worthless crop. I heard of some guys that had these cleaners that possibly could clean out the vomitoxin. Took a chance, bought one, put it to work, and 3 months later, we were still cleaning. We had vom levels anywhere from 6 parts per million, 5 parts per million, up to 7. It is varying all over the board. I was able to basically move a crop that was at one point worthless with this GCS grain cleaner. It saved me. And it took, I guess, with the market price at that time, probably 20,000 bushels, maybe, to pay for the machine.
When I'd have a custom grain cleaner come in just to clean my seed for the next year's crop, I'm doing such a small amount of bushels that wasn't a bad bill. But when we got into the disease part of the wheat, where we're cleaning 100,000 bushels instead of maybe 5 to 10, you know, I'm not going to pay a custom guy $50,000 to do the vomitoxin. But now that I have the cleaner, I can just go ahead and clean my own seed also, because it does that good a job for my seeding purposes.
That eliminates that process that I've always hired out in the past to clean all my seed. To be in control of the operations you need to be in control of when you have time to do them, it's invaluable.
It's a big cost savings, and we can do it at our own time frame. If we decide we want to clean up wheat today, we can do it. If somebody wants to buy some seed wheat from me, I can clean it up. It was an extra bonus from what I originally bought it for, that's for sure.
I used it last year to clean some peas that were when I combined them, were too weedy. It just run them through the cleaner. It basically eliminates the weeds.
The machine is fairly easy to set. You just play with it a little bit until you get it figured out and what you want to take out. You know, you speed the fan up certain days and lower other days.
Once I got mine set for my durum, it's a very simple concept, all based on density. It's quite ingenious, actually, how it works.
In addition to the cleaner, they make a scalper. It's an inexpensive scalper. In conjunction together, they work great together. It's an airlift machine. It has separating panels that your heavy grain comes out first, your lighter grain comes out last.
Heavy, lighter, 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 lighter. So when you get down to this end here, that's obviously your lightest, worst material.
There's no screens to change. It's portable. We can move it from bin to bin, from farm to farm.
The machine is very portable. We can move it around our farm, put it inside when we're done with it.
The motors they're all UL rated. They're high quality. The electrical system is top notch. As far as the energy use, I had a farmer ask me, is this thing, you know, sucking a lot of juice? And it's so minimal that it's not even an issue. These fans are just idling. With all that being said about the cleaner, there is something to be said with customer service. I had a couple small little issues. I called Alex, and he brought up a couple parts. He's done it for some other farmers. Incredible. Just a drop of a hat, he's here. That's good customer service. You don't see that every day.
Saved us a lot, or made us a lot of money is what it did.
It was well worth the investment. It was a no-brainer.
I'm very, very pleased with our relationship with GCS and the whole company. Very happy.